In the serene town of Harmony Falls, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, lived a man named Koji. His days were marked by the rhythmic sounds of nature and the gentle whispers of the wind. Koji, a devotee of Buddhism, found solace in the teachings of Zen wisdom, embracing the delicate balance between stillness and motion. Koji was not an idle man, for he believed that life's purpose was to dance in the delicate harmony of busyness and tranquility. His small cottage stood at the edge of a lush forest, where the vibrant green of the trees met the calm blue of the sky. Every morning, he woke up before the sun kissed the horizon, ready to embark on a day filled with purposeful activities. One day, a weary traveler named May stumbled upon Harmony Falls seeking refuge from the chaos of her bustling city life. Intrigued by the tranquil surroundings, May decided to stay for a while, hoping to find the peace that had eluded her in the fast-paced world she came from. Curiosity led May to Koji's cottage, and as the door creaked open, she found him engrossed in a seemingly simple task, tending to his garden. Surrounded by colorful blooms and the hum of busy bees, Koji welcomed May with a warm smile. "Why do you keep yourself so busy, old man?" May asked, puzzled by the sight of a man finding joy in simple tasks. Koji chuckled, "Busyness, my dear, is the dance of life. It is in the rhythm of our actions that we find purpose, but it's equally crucial to know when to let the music of stillness guide us." Intrigued by Koji's words, May decided to spend some time with him, eager to unravel the secrets of the dance between busyness and stillness. The art of purposeful busyness. Under Koji's guidance, May discovered the art of purposeful busyness. Koji explained that life wasn't about the quantity of tasks but the quality of engagement. He demonstrated this through the meticulous care he gave to his garden, where each plant had a purpose, and every action was intentional. Koji's days were filled with activities that brought him joy and fulfillment. He brewed tea with utmost attention, letting the fragrance fill his senses. He painted, not to create a masterpiece but to lose himself in the strokes of the brush. Every action was a meditation, a deliberate step in the dance of life. As May absorbed these lessons, she found herself participating in the dance. Her mornings were spent exploring the beauty of Harmony Falls, and her afternoons were dedicated to immersing herself in activities that resonated with her soul. Through busyness, May discovered a sense of purpose that had long eluded her in the hurried pace of the city. The stillness within. Yet, Koji was wise enough to recognize the danger of being consumed by the relentless rhythm of busyness. He introduced May to the concept of stillness within, a core principle of Zen wisdom. In the evenings, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Koji guided May through meditation. Seated on a cushion in Koji's serene garden, May learned to quiet her mind, to be present in the moment. She realized that the dance of stillness was as vital as the dance of motion. In the embrace of silence, she found clarity and a profound connection with the essence of life. Koji explained, "Busyness without stillness is like a river without banks, it loses its direction." It's the marriage of these two dances that creates the symphony of a purposeful life. The Harmony Symphony. As May continued her stay in Harmony Falls, she witnessed the transformative power of balancing busyness and stillness. The townsfolk, inspired by Koji's philosophy, began to infuse purpose into their daily lives. The once sleepy town now thrived with a vibrant energy, where everyone was engaged in meaningful activities, and yet, the air resonated with the tranquility of stillness. The people of Harmony Falls learned to create their own harmony symphony, a melody that echoed through the hills and valleys. In the market, artisans crafted with passion, and farmers tended to their crops with dedication. The rhythm of purposeful busyness intertwined seamlessly with moments of quiet contemplation. May, too, felt a profound transformation within herself. The chaos that once governed her mind gave way to a tranquil river of clarity. She realized that busyness, when approached with mindfulness, was not a burden but a source of joy and fulfillment. Each task became a brushstroke in the masterpiece of her life. The dance continues. As seasons changed and Harmony Falls embraced the ebb and flow of time, Koji's teachings became ingrained in the town's culture. The dance between busyness and stillness became a way of life, a legacy passed down from one generation to the next. Koji, content with the impact he had on Harmony Falls, continued to tend to his garden, paint, and brew tea. His days were a testament to the enduring wisdom that life's dance could be both purposeful and serene. May, now a beacon of inspiration, chose to carry the lessons she learned back to her city life. She encouraged others to find their unique dance, to balance the demands of a busy world with moments of stillness. May's journey became a living testament to the transformative power of embracing the dance between busyness and stillness. And so, in the heart of Harmony Falls, the dance continued, a dance that transcended time, echoing the profound truth that life's symphony is most beautiful when each note is played with intention and embraced with the serenity of stillness. Here are 3 insights we can take away from the story. 1. Balancing busyness and stillness leads to fulfillment. The story emphasizes the importance of finding a harmonious balance between busyness and stillness in life. Koji's philosophy teaches us that purposeful engagement in activities, guided by mindfulness and intention, can bring fulfillment. At the same time, moments of stillness, quiet reflection, and meditation contribute to a deeper understanding of oneself and the world, creating a sense of peace and contentment. 2. The transformative power of mindful living. May's journey in Harmony Falls illustrates the transformative power of mindful living. By embracing purposeful busyness and integrating moments of stillness into her daily routine, May undergoes a profound personal transformation. The story suggests that approaching tasks with mindfulness and being present in each moment can lead to a more meaningful and enriching life, transcending the superficial hustle and bustle of a busy world. 3. Cultivating a purposeful community. Harmony Falls evolves into a community that embodies the principles of purposeful living. The townsfolk, inspired by Koji's teachings, create a harmonious symphony of busyness and stillness. This insight suggests that when individuals within a community share and practice values centered around balance, mindfulness, and intention, it contributes to the collective well-being, fostering a positive and purposeful environment for everyone involved. The story encourages us to consider the impact of our individual choices on the broader community and how a shared commitment to mindful living can create a transformative ripple effect. Nothing could make us feel better if this video makes you feel a bit peaceful. This is the channel of Wisdom Hive. Please hit the subscribe button below and share with your loved ones if you would like to continue this wisdom journey with us. Invest yourself in wisdom. See you next time.